Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, Jamaican shot putter Daniel Thomas Dodd has accused the Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, and the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAAA, of not sufficiently supporting field events athletes. My wisdom warriors, who believe this? Who believe Thomas Dodd? Who believe her? Because me believe her, you know. Yes, me believe Daniel. Daniel not tell a lie. Daniel is not telling no lie, but he bond them. He bond them. Everybody know that the government only focus on track and field. Everybody know that. Everybody know that. And I'm not gonna hide. She not tell no lie. So when you come out and threaten her career, fi cancel her, fi take her down, that is wrong. Because somebody speak them mind. Somebody speak them mind. And you come out here and threaten the girl about her career. Is that right? Government of Jamaica, is that right? JOA, JAAA, is that right? That is wrong what you guys doing. It is wrong. And anytime nobody come out and talk the truth, uno want bully them, uno ferrati will stop it. Uno fi stop it. My wisdom warriors, I get this from the article. Hear more. Thomas Dodd failed to qualify for the women's shot put final at the Paris Olympics after an 18.12 meter throw, which saw her placing 13. My wisdom warriors, she was speaking during an interview with Sportmax on Thursday. Dodd voiced her frustration, saying that the agencies don't care about field events in Jamaica. She's talking the truth. The only thing on care about are the running. The only thing on focus on is the running. Nothing else. Nothing else. But the JOA says there's no truth to that accusation. And I lie the girl I tell. Why Daniel coach wasn't there with her? Let me ask on a question, JOA and JAAA. Why weren't her coach there with her? Why? Listen to me, my wisdom warriors. The proof is there, you know. The proof is there. Why you never support our coach for come 2 weeks without a coach? Me sure know say everybody have them coach from different country. Everybody have them coach. So why she never have fear coach? The girl not tell no lie. The girl upset about it. And you can see the pain upon her face, my wisdom warriors. Me have it right here, so you know. You know, so me have the attack claps them. Me have the video right here. You can see the pain. And listen, they might make it look like I just know a long time. This is a long time problem. You hear me? This is a long time problem. And now the JOA, JAAA out here threatening her about her career. These people not like when nobody come out and talk the truth. These people not like it. It is wrong. It is wrong. And we are behind Danielle. Uno make sure say anyhow then try to get her out. Uno make sure say uno take it to the street. Because we not allow it. We not allow it Jamaica taking this.
However, you know, it's been very frustrating to every time come to these major Olympic Games and, you know, not making the finals. And, you know, this time around it was definitely something that I felt like was easy for me to do. However, I didn't have my coach here. I've been in the village for 2.5 weeks. And I was denied the privilege of having a coach's pass for my coach to even be at the training facilities for 2.5 weeks. So you're talking about 365 days of training just gone down the drain because I didn't have my coach for 2.5 weeks while being here. So it is definitely very frustrating, and it's I think it's something that I definitely have to sit and reflect on and moving forward as to what will be definitely best for me and my mental health, because I cannot do this anymore. It's very frustrating dealing with JOA and J3S because these people don't care about field events in Jamaica. And if they did, they would make sure that we have everything we need to make us comfortable, because my coach is not just a part of my training process. He's a very crucial part of my warm-up and getting ready for preparations, and I didn't have him for 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks. It's very frustrating because this is definitely something that I'm more than capable of obtaining. And I came short today.
Yeah, I can feel and sense and understand your frustration, particularly now that you see Jamaica competing so well in the field event.
Exactly, and that's the irony of it. The gold medal that they were sitting down waiting for did not come from the track. It came from the field events, and those are the events that they neglect so much in Jamaica. And most of the medals that we have gotten so far at these games comes from the field events, and we're the most marginalized groups within Jamaica track and field, and it's very frustrating, and it's time for them to stop and really reflect on what they're doing to us as athletes.
Daniel Thomas, I'm grateful you spoke your mind to us, and I'm so compassionate and sorry for your experience. You really performed well on this world stage. Well done.
Thank you very much.
My wisdom warriors, talk truth. I want to storm up the comment section. Talk truth. What the lie they in this? Talk truth. Because let me tell you something. We out here observing everything. We're not fool. We know say them pay more attention to the track, to the running. We know that. Everybody know that. Everybody know that. And just because them lose, listen, you know me come already, you know say me I go chat it as how it is. You know say, because them are lose in the running, that's why you see them start pay attention to these people. You didn't know that? True, they know say them are losing at the running, then focus is upon them. And true, the girl attack, the girl not tell a lie. The girl not tell a lie. So my wisdom warriors, you can't imagine say the JOA or the JAA, one of them, then go upon mouthpiece and like threatening the girl career, telling the girl, sending a message to the girl, say if she not retrack her words, how she not go perform at the next Olympics. You can't imagine that? And you can see the girl is frustrated. This to show you guys that they don't care. This is to show you, Jamaica, that they don't give a shit. I'm tired for telling you. Because if you look upon her, you can see the pain in her face. You can hear the pain in her voice. This lady don't tell no lie. This lady don't tell one bit of lie, my wisdom warriors. She talk truth and it burn them. And all them can come out and do attack her, attack about she not gonna have a career. Really? Really? You see how these Jamaican people look at things? You see how Jamaica, these people will throw under the bus no matter what you do for the country, no matter what you do for them. These people we throw you underneath the bus, just like how Juliet Holness throw Valerie underneath the bus. A same thing them do to this young lady. Imagine the lady frustrated. 2.5 weeks she not have a coach for. And she advise her opinion and a talk truth. And the only thing you can come out and tell her for reach her words because you don't want to look bad. Really? Really, Jamaica? My wisdom warriors, hear this.
And this is an exclusive response. And the headline will be, Daniel Thomas Dodd is not telling the truth. If she doesn't recant, she'll not be accredited for another Olympic Games.
Wow. Wow.
We're putting that together as we speak. I just came back.
Yes. Well, I suspect we're going to have more of this, because of the performance or lack of performance in Paris.
And
I suspect
to magnify things.
Yes, and I suspect there are several other stories to be told as to
without question,
what really, is happening. What is happening in Paris? What is it?
Yeah, well, I can tell you, I've heard about more.
My wisdom warriors. You hear them? You hear them, my wisdom warriors? Wanna hear them? Daniel Thomas Dodd is reportedly being asked to recant her statement or risk not being accredited for another Olympic Games. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? The girl is frustrated. The girl is speaking the truth. The girl is upset about everything. How can I don't understand Uno. She's going to an Olympics and her coach is not there. Of course, me ever hear them there's something there. Uno Jamaica, uno government, uno love money. But when it come to spend money upon the very people we are whole up the country, uno don't want to do it. What are you guys really doing with the money? The same thing uno do with the reggae girls. Same thing. Babs Green, she don't want to spend no money. Same thing. The only thing uno focus on is track. Is the running. Everybody know that. And I'm not gonna hide. Because the girl I got to an Olympics like this, she need her coach. She need her coach. And now, because the girl speak out, you know what I wouldn't like? I wouldn't like every person to come out and speak out. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Come out and speak out. Stand up with Daniel. Stand up with Daniel. All to the track and field people them. Uno come out and stand up with Daniel. Uno know what is going on. Come out and tell Jamaica the truth. Stand with her. She's not lying. My wisdom warriors, I believe her. I believe her. She's not lying. She's not lying. If she did a lie, how comes our coach not there? How comes our coach not there? Uno come explain that to we now. Come explain that to we. What you guys are doing is wrong. She speak out and then the only thing you can say to her say, yeah, recant on a statement, your statement. If you not do it, yeah, your career will go downhill. Really. And that's all you have. That's all you have, Jamaica. Really. That's why Jamaica will never get better. Never. Because no matter what people do for the country or people do for UNO. No matter what people do for the country and do for UNO throw them underneath the backside bus. Underneath that bus, uno fling them. Uno is a wicked set of people. And we Jamaicans are standing with Daniel. And we are going to go out and we are going to protest. So, Daniel, let me tell you something, darling. Never you recant your statement. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Because I saw them stay. I saw them stay. Saw them stay. It is wrong. It is wrong what I do. It is wrong. Uno fix up. If somebody not happy about something and whatever, she talk truth because she frustrated and she not have no support. And I send somebody got Olympic and she not have no support. I better say the people them who did that run have their coach there. I bet you. My wisdom warrior. This is not right. My wisdom warriors, this is not right. This is unacceptable. I disagree with the JAA or JOA. Which one of them? You understand? We have come out and I say, if she not recant back her statement, she not going to be able to go to the Olympics. That is a no zone. And if we not try that with her, we are going to go out and protest. We're standing with Daniel. We stand with Daniel. One something because she come out and say, you don't want to mash up her life. You don't want to mash down her career if you want. Hey, you not wicked, you know? Una real wicked. Una real wicked. No, but, you know, I don't even think she even want to go back. I don't even think she want to go back. Because when you hear what she say, for everybody will just come, hear what Daniel have to say.
However, you know, it's been very frustrating to every time come to these major Olympic Games and, you know, not making the finals. And, you know, this time around, it was definitely something that I felt like was easy for me to do. However, I didn't have my coach here. I've been in the village for 2.5 weeks, and I was denied the privilege of having a coach's pass for my coach to even be at the training facilities for 2.5 weeks. So you're talking about 365 days of training just gone down the drain because I didn't have my coach for 2.5 weeks while being here. So it is definitely very frustrating, you know, and it's I think it's something that I definitely have to sit and reflect on and moving forward as to what will be definitely best for me and my mental health, because I cannot do this anymore. It's very frustrating dealing with JOA and J3S because these people don't care about field events in Jamaica. And if they did, they would make sure that we have everything we need to make us comfortable, because my coach is not just a part of my training process. He's a very crucial part of my warm-up and getting ready for preparations, and I didn't have him for 2.5 weeks. 2.5 weeks. It's very frustrating because this is definitely something that I'm more than capable of obtaining, and I came short today.
Yeah, I can feel and sense and understand your frustration, particularly now that you see Jamaica competing so well in the field event.
Exactly, and that's the irony of it. The gold medal that they were sitting down waiting for did not come from the track. It came from the field events, and those are the events that they neglect so much in Jamaica. And most of the medals that we have gotten so far at these games comes from the field events, and we're the most marginalized groups within Jamaica track and field, and it's very frustrating, and it's time for them to stop and really reflect on what they're doing to us as athletes.
Danielle Thomas, I'm grateful you spoke your mind to us, and I'm so compassionate and sorry for your experience. You really performed well on this world stage. Well done.
Thank you very much.
My wisdom warriors, it really pained me heart. It really pained my heart to see what a young lady I go through. And then they have the audacity to come out on top of that and I threaten her career. I don't like that. I do not like that. That is wrong on all levels. And I saw to deal with things. And for everybody else, whether upon the track and field, stand with Danielle. Stand with Danielle, because you know what is going on behind the scenes. You know that. You know what is going on. Stand with Danielle. Stand for something. Stand with Danielle. And I'm calling on all Jamaicans to stand with Danielle. Don't allow this to happen. Don't allow this to happen to her. Because now they want to threaten her career. Now they want her to tell lie. Say what she come out and say a lie she did not tell. I that them want, I that them want. But Danielle, don't do that. Don't do that. Be true to yourself. Don't do that. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Tell me how you feel about this. And put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this.
And it's been over a month where the people across the country is asking some question in terms of water. People are still without water and people are still without electricity. But I want to focus on water today. It's over a month now that burial has come and burial has gone, and our people are still without water. A month ago or earlier, the government came and said to the JPSCO to give them a schedule in terms of when electricity would return to some communities. I'm calling on the same government who is a part owner of the JPSCO and who fully owns the NWC to allow the people of this country to get a schedule in terms of ensuring, in knowing when they're going to get the water. You can't have people across the country who doesn't know when they're going to get back the water. People need water in their pipes now, right across the country. St. Mary, St. Anne, Trelawney, Hanover, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, Manchester, St. Catherine and Clarendon. Parishes are still affected by water without not having water in their pipes. Look, I would have thought that the government would have called in, the Minister of Water would have called in the JPSCO and said to JPS, wherever we have our pumping station, let that be a priority now in terms of ensuring that we can ensure that the pumping stations can now pump because they have electricity. Because when we sit down and we look at it, the NWC is a utility company just as the JPSCO. So I'm saying to the minister as we speak now, call in the JP, allow them to come in and have a sit down with you and tell them wherever we have all of these different treatment plants, we want to know when they're going to be up so that the people of Jamaica can get back water in their pipes. Time come, enough is enough. It's over a month now. And I just want to...
My wisdom warriors, you see, everything Ian Hales is saying is true. Everything. A lot of protest is going on, and the news media now carry it. If you never know that, a lot of protest is going on. A lot of protest is going on. This man is not telling no lie. A lot of people reach out to me from down there and they don't have water. And I know since burial, before burial. Before burial. Remember, say Andrew Wallace was the one that came out, and say he feel the pain where the Negril people them a go through, where Westmoreland people them a go through. And he make sure say he spend how much $1 billion and fix this and fix that. Who remember? And he say he will take 3 weeks. And what me tell you say, me I go give Andrew 6 weeks. Because Andrew not fix nothing. All know. All know. And people out here talk about a lie. Them and I tell you, how much people not have water. Somehow on the dirty labor right. On chat too much. That's why me have to this, On chat too much. Both PNP and labor right now have no water in Westmoreland. It's not about PNP. So I'm an advocate for both. Not only PNP. I'm an advocate for both. He must stand up and talk him truth. Someone on chat too much, brother. But any day reach a phone door. Any day, me I pray to God it happen to you. Then you know we rotted all, no. My wisdom warriors, want to storm up the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, on run over to my TikTok and my IG and my X page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can do so by texting yes to 876-236-9097. Bless upon a nice clean self. One love.